Hello guys, welcome to the Java core learning course by example project. Okay, so today is the day one. I would like to talk about how to install the Eclipse on the Windows PC. And the version of Windows PC I'm using now is 10. And of course you can apply the same way we do in this video for the another version of the Windows. Okay, so before we start, so what do we need? You have to make sure you already install the JDK Java on the Windows PC, and after that we get the file for Eclipse or from the internet to the local PC. And after that, when we get the file from the internet, we can run the Java for coding. Okay, so now let's get started. Firstly, you have to make sure the JDK already installed on the PC, and because I already installed the JDK on my PC here, so in this video I will skip it. If you want to take a look into the video for how to install the JDK into the Windows PC, you can go to my YouTube channel and search for the video. Okay, so here I will talk about an overview of the how to install the JDK for the project as for the PC. Okay, you go ahead to access to the oracle.com here and go to the Java SE download, and you go ahead to download the JDK toolkit for the PC, and depending on the version of Windows you are using, so you download the exactly version of the JDK and install it on the PC here. And mostly for now we are using the version 64 bits of the Windows, and you go ahead to download this one and install it. Okay, so now I will skip this one. I will close this one here and back to the notepad here. Next step, we have to download the Eclipse, and here you go to the eclipse.org and go to the download package side here. We have a lot of the version Eclipse available for you to download, and depending on of the purpose you can get the exactly version what you want. Okay, here we are using to show the demo and learning the Java core, so I go ahead to download the Java IDE for ITE for Java developer. Okay, and of course I will get the version is 64 bits. Okay, cool. So to save the time, I already download the version here. Okay, Java 64 Eclipse. Okay, cool. So here I will, after we attach it to the folder, by default when you get the file from the internet it will in the zip format, and after that you have to attach it to a folder, and inside the folder we have the file to run the Eclipse. You go ahead to click on the eclipse.exe here to run the Eclipse. Okay, so for the first time you have to set the workspace for the Eclipse. So workspace mean where you can save where you create project and save the file. Okay, so here I will change it to another folder, Eclipse workspace. Okay. Okay, cool. Here. So this one is a graphic user interface for Eclipse, and we will use this one for development. Okay. So here, firstly, I will go ahead to create an example project to just run the hello world message. File, click on new, and you select the Java project. Okay, go ahead to name it for the project. I will name it either my first project. Okay, so here keep everything is default. I will click on the next button. Finish. Okay, so here we have a folder src. So now I will go ahead to create a class inside the src folder. I will name it either the hello, and I will select the modifier is public, and with method stub I will select the it is static main finite. Okay, so after that it will generate a class with the name is hello, and we have a static main method here. Okay, cool. So now I will just go ahead to write a very basic code here to print the hello one. Okay. Print line. Hello one. Okay. After that, you click on run button here to run the project. Here. So here, after you run the project, you take a look into the console tab here. It will print out the hello one message. Okay. So here you can go ahead to update it. Hello one. Shit. You can right click on this one and run add Java application here. Okay, cool. Okay, so I hope this video will have fun for you, and after you finish this video, you know how to download and install the Eclipse from the internet and run it on the PC, and of course you know how to use this one to work with Java core. And the first example is hello one print now is very basic, and I will come back with another video later. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you later.